Hey, this is Murillo. It's my 2011, 2011 bike check. First off, got my animal Edwin De La Rosa lip grips right here with the regular animal bar ends. I got basically a stock bike so far, but I'll be getting more bike checks in to show you guys my progress. Stock bars, stock stem. It's a Verde Cadet, so I forgot to say that. Dumbass. Got regular forks, standard. Yeah, well, show you my
awkwardness.
Yeah, customized stuff first. Got red dice valve caps. I got the Haro conversion kit with the Haro sprocket and the KMC chain. So far, the rest of my bike is still custom, but I'll be coming back to you guys and telling you everything about my new bike. So I'm keeping progress up. So, thanks for watching.